I'm 17 years old, almost 18. I am a quarter Japanese. I've been in cheerleading for the last 7 years. I come from a background where we've had a little bit of issue in our family. My mom was almost killed. I had to struggle with the injuries and the recovery and the process of getting our life back together. My stepdad was diagnosed with schizophrenia. He was very physically abusive to her, and one night we had an incident and almost took her life and took her away from me. I got into cheerleading to help me get through the process of the recovery and the family issues and to take my mind off of what was going on. Worlds is almost like, for me, is almost like being in the Olympics for cheerleading. It's huge, one of the biggest competitions I think I've ever been to, and performing at Worlds is almost like, it's like a dream come true. I need your help to get to Worlds because this is a huge accomplishment for my team. We've worked very, very hard for this invitation, and if I cannot go, the rest of the team would be very disappointed and we may not be able to perform at this competition.